Take your time, let me get this right. You're tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me.
Hello loves, how are you? Welcome back yet to another video. Remember on the previous video when I told you when you went to GTC for that lunch date, we saw like they have a museum and they open it only on Tuesday, or free on Tuesday. I don't know if they open other days, but I'm pretty sure they just open on Tuesday. So yeah, so that's where we're going today. I just want to prepare a little bit. I've been doing some little work, kiasi. So right now I just want to prepare, then after that I'll show you my fit of the day. Thank God the wig that I'm wearing it's glueless, so there's no need for me to install. So yeah, see you when I am ready. Hey loves, I am done. Let me show you my outfit real quick, then we go. So this is the neck piece of the day. I think I'm going to do some adjustment. Jewelry, this too. I'm wearing these green Bottega earrings. Let me show you. Oh, my perfume. Scent of the day. This perfume smells heavenly. I love it. Let me show you my full fit real quick, then we go. I do some little arrangement, then we go. Outfit of the day. I'll be wearing those shoes. These are the sunglasses that I'm going to be wearing. Yeah, let me comb my hair, then twende. I'm just waiting for Penny Afike. Yeah, then we go to the itinerary.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out I'm through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Hey guys, how are you? Good morning. The last time I spoke to you guys, it was on Tuesday. I can't believe that. That was the last time I picked up the camera to vlog. But anyway, my apologies. Today is on Saturday. Yeah, it's in the morning. I'm heading to the gym. I've come to normalize going to the gym on Saturdays. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I don't know if I'll pass by the market because I need to buy tomatoes, the ones that I bought recently, shaisha. So yeah, but I'll see what I'll do. Yeah, so let me go. Man, it's super cold. It's so cold, but hopefully by the time I get there kukuwe na joto. Yeah, so anyway, let me go. Let's go. Let me take you guys with me. I'm pretty sure today watu watakuwa wengi, but why never say that, because sometimes I think of that alafu they just flock like kama flood. Anyway, yeah. Let me show you my feet. But anyway, let me just show you simple, then we go. So it's just this simple. This is the top I'm wearing inside. Yeah, black tights. Let's go gym back there. 20. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. I forgot to vlog that day when I went to the gym. I don't know how, but when I came back home, that's the time I realized I was supposed to vlog for you guys. But anyway, it is what it is. So I'm doing some cleaning. I'm tired. I've already done some work kiasi. I've cleaned the utensils and any. So right now I just want to clean the house. I'm still thinking if I should clean those shoes because they're kind of dusty. But nitajua too. I also have to wash my hair, go to the market, do deliveries, yeah, and go to the gym. Yeah, I was supposed to create content today, but I'll have to postpone that for tomorrow when I have ample time to do that. Yeah, so anyway, let's do some cleaning first. Let me put back my music.
Paradise, this must be when hell is like.
splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young girl don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause, so serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the BDP QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. ACC wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Don't want no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
On the dock, I'm in my drop top. Who's in the streets? I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. I just wanna pull up and disappear. Good love, don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my head in places I ain't never seen. Girl, you know what I mean. Take it up, nice and quiet. There ain't no one that takes you up. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and slow. See, I've been waiting for this for so long. We'll be making love until the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it does, just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it does, just put it in the song. Alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations.
I am finally done. I'm tired now. I just want to go and wash my hair, take a shower, because I feel dirty. Remove these outfits. I think I'll just wear something cozy for now before Jioni Fika, when I'm going to be doing like the deliveries and everything. Yeah, I won't be showing you how I'm washing my hair, because I'm not going to be doing anything special with it. It's just the normal routine. Yeah, nothing special I'm going to be doing. Yeah, so let me see you guys after I am done showering. Yeah. Hi guys, I finished doing everything. I washed my hair. It's clean now. I've just tied it back bun. yeah, so let's go and do some deliveries. I'm going to be doing zingine Kapmtani, then I go to Easy Coach. Yeah, the Easy Coach will be the last one. Yes, so yeah, let's go. Plus I have to go and buy some bananas from the market. I think I'll pass by the market, Kaptani, then Easy Coach. After Easy Coach, then to the gym, where I have to carry my sunglasses because the sun is sunning. Anyway, let's go. Hey guys, I'm done delivering in Easy Coach. Now let me go to the gym.
You've been taking clearly a lot for me to take in. It don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day. When you figure out you're gonna need someone, when you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not in the house anymore.